Yoga for omicron. Yes, I got omicron New Year's Eve at midnight. I knew I had it because it felt like someone had poured kerosene on my arms and lit them on fire. I woke up and had to rip my shirt off. Ugh. And for 3 nights, my back hurt me a lot. Oh, I felt difficult to breathe. I get up out of bed at 2:30 in the morning and I do yoga. And then I go back to sleep and wake up at 5 o'clock and do yoga, trying to figure out ways to relax my back and my body. So this was the simplest. Again, for me, it was a nervous situation. A lot of other people described the back spinal column thing. So I rolled up my yoga mat because I'm really trying to my back. I can't get it to move, or it's not feeling right. So I would lie down and see, I popped right there. Maybe yes. This is good. See, I'm just putting pressure on my spinal column there. Oof. Yeah. Oosh. Wow. Oof. Cover one nostril and breathe through the nose. Wow. Oh, that'd be good. Oh, that'd be good. Oh. 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 It seems that there's a lot around in the kidney area. This mid-back section seems to be very affected. I always want to stick my thumbs in and then lift up, yeah. And that way I can pinch my shoulder blades back. Press down with the tops of the feet. Breathe one. Wow, see, that was really good. Oh. Even child's pose was challenging. Trying to find movement there. The neck also seemed to be greatly affected. My brother said that he felt like he wanted to drill holes in his head. A lot of neck ache and pain. Maybe a smaller roll, maybe a tighter roll, maybe there's a lot of little. I'll see it better. Yeah, my hoodie's not so helpful, but to be honest, it's winter time, and I could keep the heat on, or I could. Oh yeah. See, you can maybe go to sleep like this for a moment. Whoa, yeah, that'd be good. Wow, yeah. Okay, now, yeah. Yeah, that back really feels it. Oh yeah, so it's just not fully 2 weeks. Literally today was the first day that I felt like even sharing any of this. Now this is very relaxing. See, because the mid-back just drops down. How to get to relax. Hmm. 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 Wow, yeah. See, and right now I can feel it's my left side. My left. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Pressing the left side. Oh, my left kidney, my left rib cage. Oh, oh. Mm-hmm. And maybe the right's not as tight today. Wow. Okay, yeah. Oh. I think there's a lot of over tightening in the front of the abdomen, and that the omicron is showing us our posture imbalances. And I think what for me was, we had all the rain and we're inside, and sort of, it was nice. I had a little fireplace, but watching TV, sitting on couches, not doing a lot, and then this closing off, this not really stretching out. Mm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. And finally, sitting on the roll here, since my spinal column is really super sensitive from the corona, from omicron, I want to find a way in which I'm not using my rib cage so much, because it's too sensational. And so to calm myself down deeper, I really want to feel the breath in my lower abdomen, adjusting myself so that I can, blanket would be good, sometimes very helpful. We would place the hands on top of one another, create an oval, and nestle this in just above the pubic bone, and then seeing if you can let just the breath move in and out and not move the spine so much. Conscious healing through conscious breathing and posture. It's the therapeutic Hatha Yoga way. Consciousness is primary. Use your intentions now to inhale and liberate yourself from any, liberate yourself from stress and fear. And that healing is a natural process. And when you focus your breath into your body to, let the corona pass through you now, really, it's just like you want to let it pass through you. Not let it get caught and then, over responsive. Inhale, welcome. Exhale, be well. Thank you very much. May you heal. May us all heal and grow in wisdom and compassion. Namaste.